Hey, what's up hot stuff? It's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another Halloween tutorial. This one's inspired by Nancy Downs from the movie The Craft, one of the baddest witches to ever do it. The great thing about this look and the other ones that I'll be doing this month is that it's simple, it's easy, it's pretty quick, it doesn't require very many materials, but it still looks really great. I love Halloween. I really do. But I just don't have the money or the access to put into a big elaborate costume. Hopefully this video will help you see that you don't need a whole bunch of special effects makeup to come up with a really awesome Halloween costume. If you want to see more simple wearable Halloween looks and more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have 4 more of these wearable Halloween looks on the way, so you don't want to miss them. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SleepyBeautySam to follow along with and see the rest of my 31 days of Halloween looks. Alright, let's do it! So we're going to start with the brows. Nancy's brows are pretty thin and arched, but also still kind of rounded. It's a very quintessentially 90s brow. These are really important because they're a huge part of why she looks so badass and menacing, so I'm going to spend quite a bit of time trying to get them just right. I probably wiped them off like 3 or 4 times. I also had to shave them again just to get the arch right, but don't feel like you have to shave your eyebrows. Once they were how I wanted, I filled them in with black eyeshadow. I brushed them out with a spoolie and then I put on some brow gel. Nancy's eye makeup in the movie is usually some kind of variation of extremely smudged black eyeliner and maybe some gray eyeshadow. So I'm starting with that gray eyeshadow on the outer corner with a blending brush and then dragging it over the rest of my lid, keeping it pretty messy and grungy. The eyeliner is probably the most important part. I'm using the blackest eyeliner I have and going a little crazy with it on the top and bottom lash lines. And I'm taking a short eyeshadow brush and smudging it all out with black eyeshadow. Smudging and blending is the key to not looking like a raccoon while wearing this much eyeliner. Then I'm using that blending brush again to kind of blend the eyeliner into the eyeshadow a little bit. Her face makeup doesn't have much going on, so I'm slapping on some light foundation, setting it with my NYX setting powder, and calling it a day. Her eyelashes don't look too busy either, so I'm coating them with my normal everyday mascara just to make my eyes look a little bit more open. Nancy wears a lot of awesome lip colors in the movie, but for this look I'm going with another iconic 90s lip, dark lip liner, and red lips. I'm going to line my lips with the darkest red I have, and I'm also overlining them a little bit. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see. Then I'm filling in the rest with a lighter burgundy color. Last, I'm topping it with this beautiful glossy deep red. My hair is kind of a mess, but that's okay because so is Nancy's. I opted for her little pigtails hairstyle so I could fake having short hair. For the outfit, you're going to want something black and flowy, the more layers the better, and some combat boots. Layer tons of necklaces and make sure to wear some kind of choker. Dangly earrings are a must. If you have dangly crosses, that's even better. Add in a fake or real nose hoop, throw on a leather jacket, and you're done. So that's it for the look. It was pretty simple. The worst part of it for me was the eyebrows. That took me like 20 minutes, but it's an important aspect of the character. If you enjoyed that, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Again, I have 4 more of these wearable Halloween looks coming up, so if you have any suggestions for other looks that you might want to see, comment them down below. And also, let me know some of your favorite Halloween movies. Alright, witches, that is all for today. I'm gonna go terrorize some virgins. Later! Am I doing the eye roll?